Hi, I'm Doug with Hyundai Forklifts USA. This is the Hyundai 35D-9. This comes in 7,000 pound capacity all the way up to 10,000 or 11,000 pound capacity. I'm going to talk about the distinctive features of this forklift. Start off with the oil bath sealed brakes. It comes with single drive tires or dual pneumatics. The engine, Cummins 3.8 liter 101 horsepower motor. Larger motor than most any other brand out there. Transmission, 2-speed transmission, 2 speeds forward, 2 speeds back. Again, unique with Hyundai. Get a pre-cleaner with a forklift. Comes with stack on the diesel. There's no DPF on this forklift at all. It's a Tier 4 final motor. Let's talk about the interior of the forklift. Comes standard with a Grammer seat, fully adjustable suspension seat. And the forklift also comes with something that's unique to the industry, which is a LCD full-color display. Comes with a speedometer, odometer, attitude control fore and aft, or left or right. Comes with a directional control or directional indicator. Weight scale is also standard on all 9 Series Hyundai forklifts. Tilt attitude indicator also shows which way the forklift is tilting. A lot of features on the Hyundai forklift, and give us a call, talk to one of the dealers, and we'd love to talk to you. Thank you.